Do you want to try self-directed investing?
Yeah, I'll give it a shot.
Before you start investing, it's best to pick a broker that best suits your needs. Most brokers charge a fee for deregistration of registered accounts, transfers to other institutions, and even early closure fees. So it's best to pick the right broker the first time. In today's video, I'll review the pros and cons of Qtrade. Make sure you watch this to the end to find out if this online broker is right for you. What is Qtrade? Qtrade is a Canadian online broker that provides trading of a wide selection of investment options. They provide a mobile trading app and a web-based trading platform with in-depth research and powerful tools for your investing needs. As for the investment options, they provide stocks on all major North American markets, over-the-counter stocks, rights, and warrants, ETFs on Canadian and US exchanges, mutual funds, bonds, new issues, GICs, and options. They offer many popular account types including cash, TFSA, RRSP, margin, LIRA, RESP, RIF, LIF, joint, and group accounts. And there's no minimum to open an account. With that out of the way, let's get into the pros. Pro number 1, 100 commission-free ETFs. Qtrade offers 100 ETFs with no trading commissions when buying or selling. 56 of them are Canadian and 47 of them are US. So actually there's 103. These ETFs are provided by iShares, Vanguard, Spider, Horizons, Desjardins, PowerShare, and more. To qualify for this commission-free trading, you must buy or sell through Questrade's website, hold the ETF for at least one business day, trade a minimum order value of $1,000, and ensure you are signed up for e-documents. Compared to Questrade, Questrade only has commission-free ETFs when buying. For selling, it's 1 cent per share, $1.99 minimum, $9.95 max. But with Questrade, all Canadian and US ETFs qualify for commission-free buying and there's no minimum order. National Bank also offers Canadian and US ETFs commission-free when buying and selling, but there's a 100-unit minimum. So depending on the price of the ETF, it could cost a lot more than Qtrade's $1,000 minimum. I should also mention that Qtrade has commission-free mutual funds as well. Pro number 2, young investor pricing. Qtrade offers young investor pricing for investors age 18 to 30, 19 in some provinces. With this, you will get a reduced commission of $7.75 for stocks and ETFs, which is $1 cheaper than their regular $8.75 per trade. Also, there is no account minimums or quarterly admin fees. But in order to qualify for young investor pricing, you must set up automatic pre-authorized contributions and contribute at least $50 per month to your Qtrade account, which is only half the amount needed to waive the fee if you weren't a young investor. National Bank is another broker that offers young investor pricing with commissions of $4.95 per trade and 10 free trades per year. Pro number 3, the sign-up bonus. Sign up with Qtrade using the code QTRADECASH and you will earn up to $2,050. You need to deposit at least $25,000 in order to get $75 cash back, and in order to get $2,000, you need to deposit $2 million. Plus, you can get an additional $50 cash back when you deposit a minimum total of $1,000 in pre-authorized contributions by the end of 2020. This sign-up bonus is average compared to other online brokers, but should be taken fully advantage of if you qualify. Questrade has the easier sign-up bonus to qualify for, a deposit of $1,000 for $25 cash back, and a deposit of $10,000 for $50 cash back. You can get this cash back by using my referral code found in the video description. Pro number 4, they reimburse your transfer fee. If you transfer at least $15,000, Qtrade will reimburse your transfer fee up to $150. You can transfer cash or do an in-kind transfer. Most brokers will reimburse your transfer fee, some requiring a $25,000 transfer to qualify. Questrade, on the other hand, will reimburse your transfer fee no matter the amount you transfer. Pro number 5, their customer service. Qtrade is mostly known for their excellent customer service. You can contact them via email or call them Monday to Friday from 5:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific time, which is 8:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They usually answer within seconds, but if not, they have a let us call you feature where they call you back. Qtrade's customer service reps are knowledgeable and provide helpful answers. There's plenty of that evidence online. Qtrade has won 5 first place awards in customer service and 15 first place awards for best online brokerage. The only thing that they're missing is a live chat feature and 24/7 phone support. That being said, there's only one broker that offers 24/7 phone support, and that's TD Direct Investing. and they don't have live chat support either. Before we get into the cons, you know the drill. Hit that like button if you like this video and share this with a friend. Con number 1, their platform and app. Don't get me wrong, their platform has good research tools and they are constantly adding new features like portfolio score, and they do offer level 2 live streaming data starting at $34.95, but they only offer the web-based platform and the app. With Qtrade, there is no desktop platform or any other options. Their platform is missing things like Morningstar and just seems to be outdated. Also, their platform has no customability, so you're not able to customize it to your liking. This is important for an active trader. I think Qtrade needs to come out with a powerful desktop platform that's customizable to fill a void. Con number 2, fees for US dollar registered accounts. If you open a US dollar RSP, RIF, or TFSA, you'll be charged $15 US per quarter per account. These fees can really add up, and if you only have a small portfolio, it may not be worth it, especially when there's brokers out there that don't charge this fee. And if you qualify for Investor Plus, your USD registered account fees are waived. To qualify for Investor Plus, you must maintain at least $500,000 in assets or make at least 150 trades per quarter. Con number 3, closing your account. If you open an account and decide you don't like this broker for whatever reason, you will be charged $100 if you try to close your account within the first year. On top of that, if your account is a registered account like a TFSA or RRSP, there is another $125 fee for deregistration. And if you need to transfer your account, there will be another $150 fee for that. Most brokers will reimburse your transfer fee depending on the size of the transfer. So you might end up paying Qtrade $375 for closing your account. Then you will go on Facebook and other review sites and call Qtrade a scam. So make sure you look at all the fees before opening an online broker. Not all brokers will charge for the early closure. The deregistration fee and transfer fee are common amongst all online brokers in Canada. Con number 4, the administration fee. Yes, all brokers will charge this fee. They might call it an inactive fee or a maintenance fee, but it's all the same thing. Well, Wealthsimple Trade doesn't charge this fee, but I wouldn't really consider them a full service online broker. Qtrade's admin fee is $25 per quarter, but at least you can get this fee waived. Have at least $25,000 in assets by the end of the quarter, or make at least 2 commission generating trades in 1 quarter, or make at least 8 commission generating trades in 1 year, or if you add at least $100 to your account per month by recurring deposits, or qualify as a young investor, or have been a client for less than 1 year. The $25,000 to waive the fee is on the high end. Virtual brokers only requires $5,000 to waive the fee, and Questrade only requires $1,000 to waive the fee. On the other hand, Questrade requires a recurring deposit of $150 to waive the fee, while Qtrade only requires $100 to waive the fee. I think the easiest way to waive the fee would be to qualify as a young investor. Con number 5, their commission fees. Buying and selling equities are $875. Options are $875 plus $125 per contract. The ETFs not on the free 100 list are $875. Fixed income and exchange traded debentures are $1 per $1,000 face value. Minimum $24.99, maximum $250. And if you are an active investor with 150 plus trades per quarter or $500,000 in assets, instead of paying $875, you pay $695. Whoop-de-doo! These aren't the highest commission fees, but they're running pretty close. But at least it's a flat fee and you don't have to worry about ECN fees. If you're looking for the lowest commission fees, virtual brokers charge 1 cent per share, minimum $1.99, maximum $7.99, and interactive brokers are even cheaper with 0.005 cent per share, minimum $1, maximum 1% of trade value. So who do I think Questrade is for? Qtrade is for? Qtrade is for someone that has a strategy of only trading ETFs. With their 100 free ETFs, you won't have to worry about commission fees when buying or selling. Take a look at the list to make sure that one of these ETFs can fit your strategy. Qtrade is also for someone who values customer service over a bargain. How a client is treated and supported can be a very big factor when choosing an online broker. But Qtrade's excellent customer service comes at a price in the form of higher commission fees. Qtrade can also be for the young investor age 18 to 30 who can contribute at least $50 per month. As a young investor, you get lower commission fees and no admin fees. So who do I think Qtrade is not for? Qtrade isn't for the active trader. As an active trader with Qtrade, you're still paying almost $7 per trade. And as an active trader, you may need a more powerful platform that's fully customizable with more advanced order types. Qtrade also isn't for someone with a small portfolio. If you don't qualify to waive the quarterly admin fee and want a US dollar registered account, these fees on top of the high commission fees can really eat up your overall return. All in all, Qtrade is still consistently ranked among Canada's best online brokers and is considered a good at everything broker, but ultimately it best performs in customer service. I think if they had a better commission structure and updated their platform or had another platform, they would be able to take on Questrade more consistently. But in my opinion, how it stands now, Questrade is still the better broker. If you want to learn more about Questrade, click this link up here. And before you pick an online broker, make sure you do your own research to see which one best suits your needs. A broker that works for me may not work for you. And let me know in the comments which online broker most appeals to you and why. That's it for today. Next week I'll be doing a video on the National Bank Direct Brokerage. So if you don't want to miss that video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making money moves. Peace!